Okay, hidden window tricks, this time using your remote for your Mercedes. Let's get into it.
Let's move on, 'cause it's time to move on.
Okay, so with the Mercedes locked, grab your remote and do the following. Okay, so next to your lock here on the driver's side and on the passenger side, you'll see this tiny little square here. And this is your infrared window, and you can use your key to open the door as well as all the windows. Now, bearing in mind, she's an old car, she's 20 years old nearly. So the distance that this works isn't quite as far away as I'd like, but they're first world problems. And that's because the little window on there is perhaps a little bit scratched. I could replace it, but after all, you just treat elders with a bit of respect. So this is what I do to make sure it works. So put your finger on the car, that way you've always got the same distance. And now just press and hold the unlock button. I know my little fob is a bit worn out, but it's this button here. Just press and hold it and keep holding it and watch what happens. So there you go. You can actually lower the whole car before you even get in it, before you start the engine. Okay, so let's say it's starting to rain. You don't want to jump in the car and start the engine. You want to get that roof closed and everything else as fast as possible. Just do it in reverse, but this time press the lock button like this. How about that? Pretty nifty, huh? I hope you like it. If you like this sort of thing, check out this video and this video. There's some more wicked little things that you can do with your Mercedes. Have a great day. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.
Let's move on.